Oh my, it's been way too long since I did the last one. Oh shit. And we still have this stupid problem where the screen just stops showing. And I absolutely hate this problem. I don't have any solution to this, to be very honest. I've tried a few things, but nothing seems to work. It's happening in all the browsers. If it wants to show, it shows for 10-20 minutes as well, but if it doesn't want to, it goes away after a few minutes, which is a big problem. Give me a few minutes. It's been such a long time since I did the last stream that there was a lot of stuff to do, set up. And like I thought I would just easily choose a app idea to start working on, but I was having a hard time thinking of an idea as well. So what can you do? Come on, dude. Anywhere. Oops. Oops. On what the hell am I doing? Okay. Give me a few minutes. Let's just set stuff up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What the hell am I showing here? Terminate. Okay. Close this. And I'm starting to feel hot in it. Okay. Let me just finish up the stream settings very quickly. I need the link here. Here. We might have a guest on the stream. A very good friend of mine. Let's see. So the plan is, as I launched my starter kit wipe. Okay, for those who don't even know what is this, like what is this all about, I launched this starter kit, VibeFast.pro. You can check it out. The purpose is to make your like help people launch their SaaS mobile app, whatever they want to make, way faster. And I seriously mean it when I say faster. All the basic setup that you're supposed to have in an app, in a website, is already done completely. Like authentication, database, file uploads, and with the recent boom of AI being in like implemented in all sorts of apps, and like in many apps and websites and all, there are a lot of AI features already built into it, that like image analysis, chatbots, voice bots, and what else is there? Image generators, like these really common use cases of AI are already built into it very professionally, so you don't have to like build it yourself, and you can ship way faster. And for the apps, and I also have some AI stuff for the coding part as well, which like there are specialized agents built for this particular project repo. So AI has a very good understanding of what you have already built. So there are like a lot of docs and all that, rule files and checklists, tasks, stuff. Like you can go into it in detail. But so right now I want to be a bit quick. I don't want to make a really complex app right now. The plan is to take an idea, make a basic app that has some AI stuff in it. We're going to put it on the App Store, hopefully today, because I don't really have that much time today because I have to sleep as well. It's 8:20 p.m. right now here. So let's see. I have this demo as well. You can check it out. There are widgets, and there are AI features. There's like internationalization, all sorts of authentication, guest email, GitHub, Google, Apple. We have we have our own CLI as well, which is one of the best things we have right now. So I mean everything's good, but this and there's obviously a lot of reusable components that you would need in different sorts of applications. It's currently on sale. You can get it for $99. That's it. It's not something too expensive. Go check it out if you're interested. And we'll be using this. So it's also like a case study for this product. I want to show that yeah, this is a legit product. I'm not just selling you some garbage here. It is a very good product, and I'll prove it to you. In this, or like this might be a two-part series, one-part series. I'm not 100% sure. So let's finally start working on something. I was having a hard time thinking of which idea to pick, but before going to that, we'll be first setting up the starter kit from scratch. Everything from scratch. You get the starter kit. You'll get a license key. You'll log in, and you'll install my CLI. This is the easiest, fastest way we have to set it up. You'll install it. I already have installed it. No, not gonna install it. And to trigger it, its short form is VF. We have all the options and commands and everything over here. You can use the help button to see it as well. So to set it up, all you have to do is VF init. And then it asks whether you want just a web app, mobile app, or you want both. Oh shoot, it's gone again. Let me put the screen back first of all. Allow, please. Please allow. What the hell? Oh, I clicked on the wrong button. Wait a minute. Share screen and here the entire screen. Please stay shared forever. Okay, we're back. I'm sorry. I have no solution to this. So yeah, then for now I'm just gonna go with app, and you have the option if you want just the bare bones, you don't want any extra features, you'll have auth and some really basic stuff already set up. You can go with that one, but if you want all the features, you can go to custom, and these are all the feature list we have. Currently, all the features are for the app. I do plan on adding some stuff to the web part as well, chatbot, image stuff, and something like that. So yeah. Okay, so the app idea I finally came to was like an AI expense tracker something, maybe, and maybe some gamification there as well. I was like, first I had planned to use Nano Banana, if you know what that is, Gemini's latest image model, which apparently seems to be the best one out there right now. But I wasn't able to think of some really interesting ideas, so we might do it in some other video very soon. Like I might do it. So for now, I'm just sticking with a pretty boring but like a very common idea. AI expense tracker, we'll add some AI stuff. We'll have a chatbot that will be able to answer any questions based on your previous, like whatever data you have entered into the app. It's as simple as that. Yeah, we'll need two of the features here, and we might need a widget, but not now. We'll add it later on. For now, we just want to get done with this stuff. Yeah, payments is a must. Quiz, we can be using this for the onboarding part, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. For tracker app, we might use some of the components from the let's just skip it. We can call it expense tracker. I'm setting it up from scratch. Literally, first I thought maybe I should just at least set it up initially, but it's better you can see everything happening from scratch. I'm not skipping anything here, and it's a live stream, man. I can't even cut any parts or something like that. So yeah. It'll take some time setting up some stuff up here. Okay. If you guys have any questions, let me know whatsoever. It can be related to the product or maybe a bit different as well about apps or anything. Then, so I have a very cool script in the project which automates a lot of the really boring boilerplate setup stuff. It checks whether we have PNPM, if not, it installs it. It checks for ASCLI, then it does PNPM install, then it does PNPM expo install dash fix. If you are an expert developer, you know how important that is, because new packages are coming in regularly and you need to keep them up to date. So yeah, then it's our backend time. We choose a project. Oh my God, I hope I haven't. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, I'll just use this one. Actually, I have Convex has like 20 project limit, and I've already created 20. So because of testing and stuff like that, I've used all the free limit. Okay, then you just enter, because some of this stuff is already done in the code, so you can just enter it. So we are using Convex for the entire backend. For our AI agent, chatbot, for authentication, file uploads, database, everything is in Convex. Some of the people might think that you are just locking yourself in with a platform, but to be very honest, I'll be more than happy to be locked in with Convex. It's an open source project, first of all, which means you can, if you want, you can spin up your own instance and deploy it on your own server without any problem. I've tried it as well. It works perfectly. Secondly, it is a great product, first of all. That's also a very, like, the most important thing. And then the best part is I haven't seen a easier real-time database experience anywhere else. It's real-time out of the box, and it comes in with so many features that I need. Like, I really wanted a place where my AI agent, my authentication and database files, everything is in one place, and Convex provides that. And yeah, I genuinely love using their product, and it makes the entire process so much simpler. I started out my backend stuff from MongoDB with using Node.js APIs, then came to Postgres with Node.js APIs, using Prisma, Drizzle, all sorts of things. Shoot. Let me bring back the screen. Uh, and then I came to Superbase because I wanted a backend backend as a service. And Superbase is good. It's not bad, but I tried Convex, and then I just fell in love with Convex, and I've been using it since then. Really good. And especially for people who don't want to spend much money in the beginning, Convex has a really good free limit. Like, it's very generous. You can 20 projects in free tier is absolutely crazy. And yeah, I think that's enough of Convex. It sounds like a sponsored post, but it's not. Come on, who would sponsor such a small channel? Okay, so that's it. We are done. Okay, let's to give you an overview of what we did very quickly. We did VF init. We chose the whether we want app, website, or both. Okay, where is it? Let me just show it. And then we chose the features we want. We gave our project name. It cloned the repository. It did some starter setup stuff, checked PNPM, EASCLI, installed the packages, checked for, did the expo install fix thing, and then it did the backend setup. It creates, it runs the npx config tab where you create your database. If you're not already signed in, you'll sign in, and then you continue from there. It sets up your authentication, convex auth. It's very straightforward. Literally, there's nothing complicated here. And then it starts installing your features one by one. It does that, adds the code, install their packages, does the config stuff, if any, environment variables, and then also some of the things have some action required. So for that, obviously, no one's going to scroll through the entire terminal to look for these. So it stores it in a file where you have all those manual steps that you have to take, because those steps cannot be automated under any circumstance. So yeah, hey, are gonna open it up. next step is just to create your build, pnpm native iOS-D or Android-D. You will create the build on your phone, and that is it. Your starter is set up. That's it. And then you can start working on adding your stuff. As you all know, the slowest part about app development, other than getting your app accepted, is creating a development build. So yeah, we'll have to wait for that. Until then, we'll be working on what? Yeah. Creating some sort of plan for the app, and then we'll create some screens using Stitch. If you don't know, Stitch is the best screen UI for app websites, AI generator thing. You can check it out. It's by Google, powered by Gemini 3, and it is so good. I've never been satisfied with any AI designs before this tool. So you must check it out. It's really good. And it's free, the best part. So yeah, okay. And as the title says, I'll be using Opus 4.5. I'll be using it in Kiro, which is Amazon's alternate of Cursor. The reason I'm using it is because it gives you like 500 free credits. Yes. And it has like all the Claude models, so you can like enjoy some free Opus 4.5 on it. Go check it out. Okay. 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 What is happening? Okay. So sometimes this happens for no reason whatsoever. If this happens, especially like if it happens with this starter kit, then you just run the command again, and hopefully nothing will be wrong, because I've run this thing like I don't know, like 3, 4, many times at this point. So this will work. Don't you worry. First, let's get some. I'm going to create a AI powered expense, and just to make it a bit different. I might add in some gamification elements to it, just to make it stand out a bit. So not a, oh okay, that's working. So now it's going to create the build on my, oh damn it, on my phone. Let me just share the screen again. Sorry about that. I have this stupid problem here where the screen just unshares it. So, oh shoot, what happened here? Oh, I know exactly what happened. I missed a few steps because I was too busy talking with you guys. It's actually really simple. You have to open up. Let me just open it up in the code editor so it makes it easier. I have skipped a few steps here. That's why that happened. Where did we clone the thing? Let me just check that for a second. I think we did it in the. By the way, if anyone has any questions, please go ahead, ask away. No worries. I'll be more than happy to help with anything. Okay, here we have. Okay, so a few things to set up. Okay, yeah, I was wrong about that. So, okay, this might change a bit when you clone it later on. There are some extra stuff within it that I will be removing. Um, so you don't have to worry about that. So we have to go into our env.js file. Here we need to add a few things that are very important. Your expo account owner. For me, it is, I don't know if I should be sharing this. Let me just tell you, then I'll add it myself, and then yeah. And another thing, like if you're using the iOS widget, this is must. You need Apple Team ID. You'd get this from developer.apple.com. I have this in the docs, by the way. It's not something that I haven't mentioned. I have proper documentation for the starter kit. You can check that as well. You have to put these two things in, then that error won't happen. And if it happens again, what you have to do is this. You go into cd apps/native. Okay, it is a monorepo, just so you don't know. Xcd xcode xcode. Oh my god, xcode xcd. No, what is it? I just did it today, man. Xcd iOS. Yes. It opens up your project in Xcode, and then you have to choose your developer ID thing over there to make it work. And I'll also obviously change the name. This should not be VibeFast. You have to change those things as well. It's in the documentation. Don't worry about that. Here you go into signing and capability. This is the problem that's happening. You have to choose your own team, whatever that is. Same for the billet. That's it. This was the problem. Otherwise, everything's perfectly fine. Okay. Here we'll just name it expense tracker. This is not the app name, so and the app name can be changed later as well, which is this one. I haven't thought of any name right now. Just gonna go with your expense tracker, literally. I'm gonna put in these two things, Apple Team ID and Expo account owner. Then I'll be back. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. And till then, if you guys have any questions, please put them into the chat. Let me give some free value out there, man. I have like 5-6 apps on the App Store right now. None of them, to be very honest, are big apps. They're just I haven't done any marketing yet for any of my apps. I also am thinking to like stop making multiple ones and just focus on one, but I don't know. I just like doing lots of stuff. Oh, come on, be quick, dude. I hope my screen is still shared. Yeah. Okay. Give me a minute, guys. I need to get that stupid ID that I always have to find. Come on, damn it. Oh, okay. No. Shoot. Now it should show up. Yes, thank you. What? What the hell? What the hell, man? Come on. Okay. Yes, there she is. Okay. Now let me put that in. Okay, we are done with that. Okay, now we're back. Now all you gotta do is, let me just come back to the monorepo's root and let's just get rid of some extra stuff in here. And now we're gonna, yeah, whenever it said it's not this, like it's not particularly for this article, but it's for generally Expo apps, you need to create a pre-build if you make app config changes. Let me bring back the screen. Okay, sorry, once again. So yeah, okay, we're back. What I'm gonna do, wait a minute. I actually have to go back into there to do the PNPX Expo pre-build clean. Yeah, you have to do that. Yeah, go ahead, quick. Oh man, it's taking a lot of time. It's 8:40 already. I hope we are done by 11 or something, 11:30 maximum. Because I gotta sleep. I'm already tired, man. I've been working all day, literally. I had no energy for the stream, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. There's nothing I could have done other than that. Okay, yeah. I need some basic ideas or something. Not basic. Why would I say basic? Oh my god. So sorry about it. But it seems to happen. Let me put it back. So, and guys, come on, like ask something. Ask me something. At least something. Can we keep it here somehow? It's barely fitting in. Oh, okay, it fits. It fits. Okay, now we can just create the build. Finally. I could have just entered it myself. Okay, yeah. Finally, okay, now it's gonna do the build and then I'll show you when it's done. Yeah, these are some cool things we can add in later. Just take the screenshot of the pillar. Oh, no, shoot, no, you didn't. Why would this happen? Wait a minute. This was not supposed to happen. Oh, God. Okay. I think one thing happened. I created the pre-build. I did the clean pre-build and it removed. I know. Let me just show you. I did the clean build and then it again forgot about the team ID stuff. This is such a stupid thing, man. Look, knew it. I knew it. I've been through these problems like so many times that now I know it. But I thought this wouldn't happen because I had added the team ID, so I thought it would have known it, but oh my God. It won't happen now. I'm telling you, it won't happen now. Please, please don't happen. Yeah, okay. Guilt GPT. Oh, I like that. You spent $20 on coffee this week, bro. You need therapy. Stop buying shit you don't need. Invest that money, champ. You know what? I like that idea. This can actually be something cool, and this is one of those things that you can like make some viral TikToks on. Like it has this virality element to it, which is good, which normally a expense tracker won't have. Let's close the extra stuff I don't need. And I don't need this either. Okay. Okay, all of those things are cool, but for now we're just gonna keep it simple. Okay. A gamified expense tracker design. Our build is being done, and till then we're gonna make some designs that will help us like for first off have a understanding of what we're exactly going to build, and then we're going to use the same screenshots and give it to Opus 4.5 to get similar stuff, consistent stuff, because if you just go on wildly without any designs or plan, then it's not a really good idea. Another thing that I have in this starter kit, but I won't be using it today because it's ideal, like you should use it only if you have decent amount of time. I want to do this very quickly, ideally in 3 hours maximum. So I don't have time for that. You have lots of agents here in VF agent folder. Analyst, architect, dev, orchestrator, PM, PO, QA, SM, UX expert. Lots of stuff. Ideally, you would use this for anything that is seriously complex or a really big application. You wouldn't really need it for a small app. So, and then we have these agents. Each agent has their rule files, which is stored in here. Yes, these rules, and we have like proper rules here. And there's another thing. Let me show you. Yeah, like master rule book. Like you know which rules are in which location. So the agents and AI can easily just go to the right rule files. So it has a really good understanding of how the entire starter kit and all the features in it, authentication, chatbot, everything is made. That way, when it's editing it, making changes to it, or using that particular thing, it does it in a much better way. The chance of error is reduced significantly, and all those good things. And there are task lists for all sorts of things, and then there's like templates and all that. I might create a video on that. The thing is, I launched the product, and there's just so many things to do that I'm just like even thinking about all the things you have to do, it just drains you and like drains you out. You have to uh, okay, let's see, what's it doing? Okay, it seems pretty good, man. Even though it's not fully done yet. Okay, so you have to check the landing page, look for errors, problems, improvements. You have to keep on improving the product. You have to look at, you have to keep posting as well. That's also a really big thing. Reddit, Twitter. Actually, I haven't done much posts at all yet. I need to get, my plan is when I put this app up and I have this case study on my landing page, then I'm gonna go all in with Twitter, Reddit posts, and other maybe some sponsored posts as well, trying to find affiliate people who would be interested in the affiliate link, because I do have an affiliate link. You can also check that out if you want to. So very decent, very decent. Then you have to work on the SEO part, improve the landing page, add analytics, look at the analytics, and if there are customers and they're having an issue, because with these coding projects, another thing is that sometimes a person might have errors because of their own laptop or computer, or their own OS or node version or anything like that, and the issue is not even on your, like, because of you, like the issue is not because of you, but still you have to help them out with that problem and deal with it. Okay, let me add the screen back, guys. This stupid problem of this screen just vanishing itself, unsharing itself. Okay, we're back. These are the screens that we, by the way, one thing I don't like about these designs, the amount of green that's used in it is absurd. What is this? Like, the background is green, the bars are green, everything is just green, dude. Ah, actually, I don't like this. I don't like the colors. Other things are fine. There's way too much green in it. Let me check yeah, okay. You're still doing the build. Obviously, it takes a lot of time. It's not something that happens quickly. Don't need Xcode. Let me quit out of it. One expense tracker I really like. I don't know if I can open it up here right now. Can I? I don't even remember the name, dude. Okay. I do have one expense tracker myself that I use, Wallet app. It's really, oh god, no, please no. Don't, sorry, I'm adding it back. I'm getting seriously sleepy right now, but no worries. I have to keep going and get this thing done. Okay. And guys, come on, like, ask some questions, anything. Make this two-sided, not one-sided. Okay, okay. Now we're talking. I like this a lot. This is very nice. Even though it has some small bugs here and there, like, look at that. This is green, this is black, but that's fine. We can deal with that without any problem. Okay. So what do we have here? We have category, we have date, receipt. Okay. We need AI feature. Let's come to it later. Let's just go with this for now and get this thing done real quick. Okay. So I'm just gonna tell it that we're gonna do. Actually, to be very honest, we should have first created like a basic feature list and then turned that into the designs, but for now it's just fine. Oh, okay. The build is being installed on the phone. As you can see, once it's installed, then we'll, yeah, I'll show you the demo. Yeah, I'll show you it on the, like I'll use the iPhone mirroring where I can show you my iPhone screen on the Mac. Really good feature. That's my app revenue. Not much, kind of nothing, but yeah. Give me like a MVP feature list kind of thing. Proper detail. Okay, when this happens, it's not an error or something. It's just a normal thing for expo apps. It sometimes doesn't automatically open the app. So you have to go to the camera app, you have to open the camera app, you have to scan the QR code. Oh, come on. Normally it's way faster. Then it shows you this thing. You must allow it, otherwise it won't work. And sometimes after allowing it would still not open up. You'll just close the app, you just scan it again, and then it'll open up. I'm telling you, it'll open up. Okay, now it's opening. And yes, it's bundling. I've done it so many times that I know that if this happens, do this. If this happens, do this, and it'll work. Wow, that's cool. Okay, connect. And yeah, close this off. Yeah, okay. So there's another thing that can happen sometimes that you have to restart the server, but I think it's working actually because look, it is doing the build right now. Okay, what happened there? Oh yeah, I know what happened. Okay. So there's just one package for some reason it's not installed. Let me add that real quick. PMPMI. Oh my god, no, you idiot. Okay. But don't really worry because once the first build is done, the next build happens really quickly. So it won't be a problem unless you do config changes and then you have to create a expo clean pre-build and that takes a lot of time. Okay, now same thing, but it's gonna be really quick this time. And let me actually add the CLSX so other people won't have the problem, right? Yeah, let me just, or maybe I'll do it later. We are going very slow right now, I'll be very honest. But let's see, maybe Opus 4.5 speeds us up. Oh, come on, dude. Let me share the screen. Oh, sorry. No, don't do this to me. Don't tell me you want a new build just because of CLSX. That is absolutely stupid. Is there any shortcut, dude? I don't want to create a new build now. Wait a minute, let me check. Okay. PWD. Maybe it's some package version problem. Oh my god, I hate this problem. That is fine, so should have worked, man. This was a very unexpected error, otherwise everything would have been fine. Is this really important? Can we just skip it for now? Oh no. How many places are we using CN? Just one place? I don't think we even need it then. Can I just remove it? Import CN. Are we importing it in? Oh, perfect, 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 perfect. This will save us a lot of time. Thank God. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I'm just gonna. Now it's gonna work without any other stupid change. We don't have to do this. We're just gonna run the dev server and let's open up the app and hope everything works flawlessly. I forgot I have to do this one. Let me open it up one. Come on, please work this time. Could not connect running unavailable. Running unavailable on the same error. Okay, it is running, dude. Are you kidding me? Look, convex function's ready. Nor is there. Our backend code is pushed to our convex cloud instance. It's gonna work. It's gonna open up. Yes. Oh no. Don't do it. Oh, fish. I know what happened. I know what happened. Damn, why am I messing up in the live stream? The ENVs are empty right now. In the app, the ENVs are empty. What I have to do is go to the backend, get the ENVs from here. These are fake keys. Don't use these, please. Gonna get the, man, things aren't going great. I'll be very honest. And I'm gonna add some just replace me kind of things here. So these also don't cause any problems. Okay. Last thing would be remove CLS6. Wait a minute. /native. What is the email I just got right now? Oh, come on. Don't tell me Cocoa Bar's not gonna work this time. No. Oh, things are going. If this happens, you have to create a clean build, which will waste a lot of time. Just because we forgot to add this. This is crazy. Anyways, what can we do? But one good thing, one positive thing we can take out of this is that if you run into these errors, you forget these things, you make these stupid mistakes, you'll know the solution as well. Okay, oops. Just gonna create npx expo prebuild dash clean. Just a second. Allow to share. Come on. No, the screen is not gonna share. Really? Really? Oh yeah, I like that. This is a must. Okay. Now pnp minus dash d. Oops. I hope it somehow happens quickly. Again, same thing. XAD iOS. Now I'm literally remembering stuff. Yeah, this thing and signing in capabilities. Choose the right team. And yeah, that's it. Now you create the build. And it'll work. Yes, it will work this time. What is that? This is really good actually. You can be doing really cool stuff with AI in an expense tracker, budget tracker, or whatever you want to call it. This is very cool. I like it. Yeah, nice. Of a entry, we should have options for info of a entry. Oh, what was it? What? Okay. Anyways, let's. Okay, amount, date, and time. So there's the calendar view category. User can create their own categories as well. Merchant vendor optional one is very useful. If user writes super $18 write, AI extracts merchant. vendor, merchant vendor. I don't know if you really need that. Keep it simple: cash, credit card, debit card, mobile pay, Apple Pay, future banks, future. None of this is optional for MVB. What did we do? Add. Yeah, again, auto. Yeah. I get that. Give me the schema, electric. Give me the schema. I use convex just so it know the kind of structure and architecture we use for the backend. Yeah, you can have a leaderboard with your friends and stuff like that as well. Let me check the Discord. Wait, did I even add the link to the Discord? Oh my god, I think I forgot. Shoot. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Let me just. Man, I just like the audio. Can it seem that right now? I think I should have it a bit far for better audio. I've made a video after so long that I'm messing a lot of stuff up for the video part as well. Let's just create some more designs until we're done with our build. The last build, yes, the last one. Give me brief description of each screen of the app. The main ones to start with. Do add like the UI, UX details, the good ones. Oops. Okay, let's copy all of this. I hope it's not gonna copy those images. Control C. Almost done with the build. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, okay, let me just add the screen back. Share screen. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It works. It opens. Congratulations. And I'm gonna shoot the iPhone mirror. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Continue. Okay, let me just show you on the screen. You guys are not gonna like this. And now it's getting cold. Continue as guest. You can ignore these errors. These are just post hog sentry errors which are to be shown because I haven't added those API keys yet. It's getting cold now. Okay, this is like a really basic page I have added here. Okay, let's start now, finally. Your best, recommend me your best LLM for coding and good AI. Right now, today is 28th November 2025. For coding, the best model right now is Sonnet Opus 4.5, Claude Opus 4.5. It is the best at coding right now. But there is one particular use case where I would only go with Gemini 3 Pro, and it is the best for that task, which is UI design. If you want your UI to be best, you want to revamp your UI or anything like that, you want to create complex animations, Gemini 3 Pro is the way to go. But for general coding and stuff, Opus 4.5. But yeah, one thing to keep in mind, Opus 4.5 can be more expensive. Not can be, it is more expensive than Gemini 3, Gemini 3 Pro. So yeah, there are like multiple factors with which you have to decide which model you are going to use. If you are on a budget, then GPT 5.1 mini is a really good option because it's very cost effective. Or if you're using Cursor, you have Composer 1, their own model. It is also pretty good, and it's very cheap and fast. So you can there are so many options now that you have to take a time, like take serious time to check out what you want to go with. That is pretty good. Yeah, this can help us out. And for if you want to create like if you want to create app or website designs, you should use Stitch, which is powered by Gemini. So it's really good. This does not seem useful, this particular screen. I don't need that. This is really good. This is good. This is good. This is fine. Yeah, all of this is fine. Rest of a GitHub Pro that was beautiful. Okay. Opus what? Opus 300? What? Yeah, I think GitHub is using is pretty cheap right now. I haven't used it because initially it was really bad. I don't know how good or bad it is right now. If it is good, then yeah, definitely use it. What I do know is that it's cheaper than Cursor for sure. I mean, they might charge you the same $20, but it has more usage. Let's just start with something, man. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of time here. Let's just get started with work. Yeah. Oh, let's do it this way. So Kiro has this spec mode where it creates requirements, design, then task list, and then it starts working on the task. And then you run each task one by one and it does the thing. That's how you do it. Let's do it that way. We have our chatbot feature already done. We have our charts. We have, what else do we have? Image analysis, a general image analysis thing. Wow, that's the biggest problem, man. Getting downloads. And then if you are even getting downloads, making those, converting those users into paid users, and then if you're even able to do that, then the next step is to keep them subscribed to your app and keep them paying for your app. And it's a whole world just to first get downloads and make them pay you and then make them keep paying you. Yeah, it's a whole different world. And yeah, we'll reuse all of that where we need. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me add the screen back real quick. By the way, where are you from, man? And which app did you make? What was the app about? You might check it out and give you some help with it. Some feedback, I mean. Okay. And I don't know. If you talk about the looks of the design, the previous ones looked a lot better. It's 9:20 and I'm still not started, man. Very slow. Yeah, look at that. This is pretty decent, but let's just go with it. Yeah. By the way, we can edit them as well. You can generate more options. It's not doing anything. But we can select it and then like, what the heck, man? Let's try it out. I haven't tried it. if we select the entire thing. Man, I didn't even say anything. Okay. I'll just take the things it's talking about. Just gonna copy and paste the PRD and let's see how fast what we are able to make. I'll add the screen just a second. Just copy it at the end when it's done with it. Share screen, share, and share. Need to turn on my charger just a second. Oh man, it's getting cold here. That's fine. I'm just copy it, literally. Oh man, why again? Why so quickly? No, it's gonna be a bit. We'll have to wait a bit for things to happen. And show you guys the revenue and stuff, and sales and revenue, all those things. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Nothing to hide. We have $732.6 sales, 7 orders. One is my own, so it's not counting in here. Oh, they've added this thing. Oh, cool. That's cool. I don't think it was there before, or was it? Yeah, nice. Ooh. Okay, yeah. It's just revenue right now. And I can open the band and oh, okay. Scroll it up. Now I do want to try one thing because this is going to take a lot of time. Until then, we can just play around with Stitch and try to get some good ideas and all. Because even if we don't feed it right now, it helps with getting some new ideas. It helps with improving the, the screens later on as well. So yeah, I need prompts for all screens that I can give to I app screen generator. Make it. Okay, let's give it a view. One thing I do want to mention in here, do it. Nothing to change about the architecture stuff. I do want to tell it that was it in Teams? Dark. I do want to tell the you want multi-theme, which this starter kit already has. Just want to make sure all the stuff added. Also, here's to both themes and uses the theme stuff in similar, yeah, our existing code is using. Very important. Yeah. Now, and let me add it back. I'm very tired right now. Seriously tired. I'm literally forcing myself to do this stream right now. No interest right now to do it. And I I do think the stream isn't really that fun at all. One of the reasons is that I'm tired. Seriously tired. But yeah, no worries. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Earbuds. Oops. Okay. Let's finally get to the implementation phase. Yeah, let's do it. No, stop it. Damn it. I try to find some new solutions to this problem. I'll be honest, no one's watching. Just gonna watch a video, just relax a little bit at least. At least I'm being honest here. The frick? So damn loud. Now to implement it, you'll go to the task list and click on the start task. Okay, calm. आता हूँ. I'll be back in a few minutes. This stupid action. So it set up the database schema and Google Docs. Basic stuff, right? Property test, blah, 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 blah. I don't care about the test right now. Implement sprint script operation. Okay, it's gonna create the backend functions and all that. I'm doing socks right. That's getting really cool. Okay. Yeah, it's getting really cool. I don't know why. It's supposed to be this cool. Who? So you have to run p npm dev and then it runs your front end and back end. With the backend one, it's synchronizes all your backend code to. I'm sorry, I'm just watching a video as well. To to uh, to a cloud instance of convex. Yeah. Let me share this screen. I'm just gonna remove myself from the Okay, so just to give an update, I'm just way too tired, like way too tired right now. I'm sleepy, my eyes are closing and everything. We're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow. I'm stopping this one here. We're almost done with this entire thing. Yeah, almost done. We'll continue. We'll put it on the App Store, 100%. And see you guys tomorrow. We'll be doing it tomorrow. I'll be very consistent now because I need to be consistent. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. And because I was streaming for a very long time, it did not go that well, to be very honest. It was very boring. Someone was supposed to join who didn't join. I had a screen on off issue which I finally figured out the solution to. So I'll fix it. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.